Today, I'm restoring a Follis from the era of ancient Rome. I'm not a specialist in Roman coins, so if you recognize the emperor, please let me know in the comments. The coin is covered with sandy soil, and its condition is still unclear. For the initial cleaning, I'm using a solution designed for copper coins. Here's a small tip. To achieve even cleaning, apply the solution to a cotton pad and cover the coin on both sides. If you fully submerge the coin, the top part will clean faster than the bottom. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to hear the history of how this coin was made. I rinse the coin and brush off the remaining dirt with a soft toothbrush. The Follis turned out to be in good condition. The emperor's profile and the coin's legend are clearly visible. To create an antique patina, I use the Artipat solution. After drying, a white residue appears. It can be removed with a dry toothbrush. I apply Artipat several times until the coin develops the desired patina. To preserve the coin, I coat it with paraloid B72. To avoid missing future restorations, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Here's the final result after restoration. Did you like it?